Feeling lost in the healthcare maze? Navigating the complexities of insurance can be overwhelming, but there's a simpler way. Take your first step towards health. We offer comprehensive health insurance solutions designed to give you peace of mind, wellness, and security. Our plans feature no deductible, ensuring you're covered from the start. With nationwide PPOs, you have the flexibility to choose your doctors and hospitals. Whether you've lost coverage, don't qualify for subsidies, or simply feel you're paying too much, we're here to help. Our plans are perfect for anyone under 65 seeking reliable, affordable healthcare. Take the stress out of healthcare. Take your first step towards health today. Call now, 888-809-1906, or visit our website at securehealthcoverage.com.
Welcome to Discover Health TV. I'm your AI avatar host Daniela EUSSF, and let's take a look at the latest health news for today. When selecting a gym, it is crucial to first evaluate your fitness objectives. These may include weight loss, muscle gain, cardiovascular improvement, or general health maintenance. Identifying your goals will help you choose a facility that aligns with your needs. For instance, those interested in weightlifting might prioritize gyms with extensive free weight and machine options. Conversely, individuals seeking group fitness experiences should look for establishments offering diverse classes such as yoga, spinning, or high-intensity interval training, HIIT. It is equally important to consider your current fitness level and any physical limitations. Beginners or those with injuries may benefit from gyms providing personalized training and support. More experienced athletes might prefer facilities with advanced equipment and specialized programs. By accurately assessing your fitness goals and capabilities, you can select a gym that offers appropriate support and challenges to help you progress effectively. Research different gym options. Once you have a clear understanding of your fitness goals, it's time to start researching different gym options. The first step is to identify the gyms in your area and gather information about their facilities, amenities, and membership options. You can start by searching online for gyms near your home or workplace and reading their websites to learn more about what they offer. After conducting thorough research on different gym options, it's time to visit potential gyms in person. Visiting a gym will give you the opportunity to see the facilities firsthand, meet the staff, and get a feel for the overall atmosphere. When visiting a gym, pay attention to the cleanliness and maintenance of the facilities. Look for well-maintained equipment, clean locker rooms, and organized workout spaces. Additionally, take note of the staff members and their interactions with members. Friendly and knowledgeable staff can make a big difference in your overall experience at the gym. During your visit, take the time to ask questions and gather more information about the gym's offerings. Inquire about the specific amenities and facilities that are important to you, such as group fitness classes, personal training services, or childcare options. Additionally, ask about the gym's policies and procedures, such as their hours of operation, cancellation policies, and guest privileges. Review membership options and pricing. As you narrow down your choices of potential gyms, it's important to review their membership options and pricing structures. Different gyms offer various membership plans, such as month-to-month contracts, annual memberships, or pay-as-you-go options. Consider your budget and long-term fitness commitment when reviewing membership options. If you're unsure about making a long-term commitment, look for gyms that offer flexible membership plans with no long-term contracts or high cancellation fees. In addition to membership options, carefully review the pricing structure of each gym. Some gyms may offer all-inclusive membership packages that include access to all amenities and classes, while others may have tiered pricing based on access to specific facilities or services. Make sure to inquire about any additional fees or hidden costs that may not be included in the base membership price. Ask about trainers and classes. When searching for the perfect gym, it's crucial to inquire about the trainers and classes offered. This information will help you determine if the gym can provide the support and variety you need to stay motivated and engaged in your fitness journey. Ask about the qualifications and experience of the trainers on staff. Look for certifications from reputable organizations such as NASM, ACE, or ACSM, as well as experience working with clients who have similar fitness goals or limitations as yours. Read reviews and get recommendations. Keep in mind that every gym may have some negative reviews, but pay attention to recurring themes or issues that may be important to you. If you're looking for a good gym, it's important to consider your health insurance coverage to see if it includes any gym benefits. Discover Health has a helpful article on health insurance that can guide you in understanding your coverage and how it relates to gym memberships. Check it out, discoverhealth.tv. The post Finding the Perfect Gym, Tips and Tricks appeared first on Discover Health Television. For more information about this and other health news, visit our website at discoverhealth.tv. I'm Avatar Daniela GBNF, and thanks for watching Discover Health Television. Be sure to stay tuned for more.